Welcome! Today I'll show you how to join a Teams meeting with a meeting ID and password, and how to create a Teams meeting. If you like the content, please leave a subscription and hit the like button. Now let's get started. You can easily create new meetings right in the Teams app. Go to your calendar and select New Meeting. Now add your settings like title, participants, time or description and click Send. In the calendar, you can easily join the meeting with the Join button. You can also create your team meetings with Outlook. Create a new event in your calendar and select the team meeting toggle. In older versions of Outlook, you will have a Teams icon that you can select. When you open the event, you will see a password and ID in the description. Now let me show you how to join a meeting if you only have this information. Copy the meeting ID and open the Teams application in the calendar pane. Select Join with an ID and enter your ID and passcode. Then you can join the meeting. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye!